In the past couple of weeks, the Bitcoin price has dropped from the highs of about $30,000, $32,000 to the lows of $17,000. If you can see the charts right here, we were up at about $30,000 on June 5th, and then we crashed to the lows of about 17,700 on June 19th. This has led to many people speculate where could actually be the bottom line for the Bitcoin price in 2022. Some mention that we would never break below the $28,000. Well, for some others, it was the 200-week simple moving average, which was at about 22,500. And for some other people, it seems like $10,000 is on the cards. In this video, we are going to decrypt 3 simple indicators which tell us where exactly the Bitcoin bottom could be lying, and we are going to refer the past market cycles and identify where that price could be in 2022. With that being said, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. Every day on this channel, I teach you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also, do not forget to join us on our social medias like Twitter, where we keep you up to date from all the real-time happenings, and also on Instagram. Links for each one of them is given in the description below. If you would like to get a consulting session on your portfolio and your portfolio is down severely, and if you want us to analyze it, feel free to reach out to me on my Telegram. My Telegram is given in the pinned comment. So guys, let's jump on straight into the Bitcoin charts. At this point of time, the Bitcoin price is at about the $19,600. It has recovered about $2,000 from the lows of $17,700, which it made yesterday. But the agenda for this video is to refer historical data and a few indicators which will tell us where the bottom could actually be lying for the Bitcoin price. So we will use 3 indicators for this analysis. They are the 200 simple moving average. Mind you, we are on the Bitcoin 2-day chart. So this is actually a 400-day simple moving average, but we are on the 2-day chart. So it's a 200 period simple moving average right here. The RSI and the stochastic RSI. Right, so you can see right here we have highlighted 4 zones right here: 2011, 2015, 2018 and 2020. We also have 2022, which I'll reveal to you in a little while. So what we are gonna see is there have been only 4 instances prior to this where a specific incident has occurred, and they were actually the bottom for the Bitcoin price in that particular market cycle, guys. Okay, what exactly were those? So there are 3 things that we need to take a note of. What are they? Number 1 is the price has to be below the 200 period simple moving average. Okay, we are on the 2-day chart, so the price is below the 200 period simple moving average. That is number 1. What is number 2? Number 2 is the RSI that we see over here. So the line that we have drawn here, let me get another line so that it becomes much more clearer to you, that the line should actually be around the 26 mark. Okay, it should not be more than that, right? So we've got this line right here. So this line actually tells us those incidents when the RSI on the 2-day chart was below the 26 level, and this is absolutely very, very critical as well. Right now, the third important point to note here is the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI, as you know, we have been using it to measure the momentum in the market, and the important factor to note in the stochastic RSI here is that both the blue line and the red line has to be below the 20 mark. Okay, let's highlight the 20 level here as well. So this is the 20 level that we see. One of the things that you will see right at the beginning is there have been multiple instances when the stochastic RSI has actually been below 20. You can see right here, right through the journey of Bitcoin's history, there have been many incidents where we have been below the level of 20. But what we need to identify, what we need to see is a common ground when the price was actually below the 200 simple moving average, the RSI was actually below 26, and the stochastic RSI was also below 20. Mind you, when I mention the stochastic RSI, the red line and the blue line, both the lines have to be below the 20 level. Okay, this is very, very significant. Now let's jump on. In 2011, during October 2011 to about November 2011, we can see specifically on the date of 16th of October, the price of Bitcoin was at about $2.26. That's the low it made, and a high of about $3.90. And the RSI at that point of time was actually below this red line. You can see this red line, it is cutting through the red line, right? And where was the stochastic RSI as well? You can see it very, very clearly. The stochastic RSI right here was also below this red line, right? So we have our checkmark number 1, and in Bitcoin's history, it proved to be one of the best buying opportunities for the Bitcoin price, and it also marked the bottom for the Bitcoin price in that particular market cycle, right? Because we never saw the figures of about $2 ever for the Bitcoin price again. So that's checkmark number 1. That was in 2011. Now let's move on to 2015. That was when the next bear market had arrived. Here what we can see very clearly is there could be people who could actually see that, okay, this was actually the bear market bottom, and the RSI was also down here below 26. But what we want to understand is that all of the 3 indicators have to have a specific level. Here you can see very clearly the stochastic RSI was actually not below 20, right? It was somewhere around the 25 to 30 level. Therefore, that wasn't the bottom for the Bitcoin price, my friends. The bottom for the Bitcoin price was actually in 15th of August 2015, when the RSI was also below 26, price was below the 200 period simple moving average, as well as you can see here very, very clearly the stochastic RSI, my friends. You see this clearly here. The stochastic RSI was actually below the 20 level once more, and at this point of time the price of Bitcoin was at about $175 to $180. And as history tells us, Bitcoin never saw that price, and it proved to be one of the best buying opportunities, because from $170 Bitcoin went all the way high to about $20,000 in December 2017, guys. Right, so this was another incident that proved that, okay, when these 3 indicators are signaling and are at a specific level, we get to see bottoming for the market. Now let's go to 2018, guys, right? In 2018, what we can see here very, very clearly is the Bitcoin price was below the 200 period. Ever since June 2018 until May 2019, it was below the 200 period, right, on the 2-day chart. But on the RSI, what we can see is there was only once, right, when the RSI was actually below, and it formed a beautiful double bottom. We can see right here. What we can see here is the Bitcoin price was at about $3,650. The RSI was below 26, and look at the stochastic RSI, my friends. Look at the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI was also below 20 level, right? And this proved to be the bottom for the Bitcoin price for the particular market cycle, because from $3,600, Bitcoin went on to make the highs of $69,000, my friend, right? And that's huge returns. Now let's move on to 2020, guys, right? This is the COVID crash that we are talking about. Here also we saw the Bitcoin price went below the 200 period simple moving average. The RSI also went below that specific level of 26, and the stochastic RSI here at the bottom, you can see that it went to the lows of about 10 or even lower, and gave investors an opportunity to buy Bitcoin as low as $3,880, guys, right? And this proved to be one of the best buying opportunity for the market cycle as well. Mind you, this was a black swan event. So in this particular market cycle, right, from 2017 to 2021, if you consider that as a market cycle, then there were 2 incidences when we got great buying opportunities. So if you want to understand a little more about this technical analysis, if you want to get an inside view of your portfolio, feel free to reach out to me so that I can analyze your portfolio. Mind you, it will be a premium service. Now guys, let's jump on straight into 2022. That is the present day. Right, here we are in 2022. Where is the Bitcoin price? It's clearly below the 200 period simple moving average right here. Where is the RSI? The RSI is well below 26 here as well. Where is the RSI currently? You can see this, it's at 23 at the present time. And the stochastic RSI, the blue line is at 0.74, and the stochastic RSI is at 6.55. That means if history is any indication, this could be one of the best buying opportunities for the next market cycle. For people whoever has consulted with me, I have given them my price targets and I have revealed a little bit on the videos as well. And mind you guys, we were buying. I don't mind if Bitcoin goes to $12,000 or $10,000 for that matter as well. But this is a clear indication that the bottom might soon be in for the Bitcoin price. Is it already in? Well, no one can time the market, that's for sure. But even if you are buying Bitcoin at the current price at just below $20,000 in about 3 years time for now, you will be an absolute rock star. Because even if Bitcoin touches the previous all-time high, you would be sitting at a profit of 3x, right? And that is like humongous for any portfolio. Right? So guys, if you like these kind of analysis and if you'd like me to do or analyze any other charts, any other coins, if you want me to pick several other altcoins, feel free to drop in a comment of this video. And also, if this video added any value to you, please smash up the like button, share this with your friends and family, because guys, I have mentioned this in the previous year during the bull run of 2021 as well. Bull markets will make you rich, but bear markets will actually make you life-changing wealth. And that is, the time is right now, guys. It's very crucial for you to actually analyze the markets and buy at regular dips. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.